This video is about finding coterminal angles in radian measure. And the last time I taught you, we found angles between 0 and 2 pi that were coterminal with the given angle. So we had to find out, first of all, how many rotations in which direction, and it was helpful to find which quadrant the angle lied in order to do that. Today we're not going to be restricted by having them between 0 and 2 pi. The directions for today's problems are to find 4 angles in standard position that are coterminal with the given angle. And so you know that there are infinitely many angles that are coterminal with pi over 4. And we're not asked to find all of them, only 4 of them. And so we want to find some small ones so that we make our job easier. So again, the last time we learned this, we found out that we are adding and subtracting multiples of 2 pi, and that's still the same, okay? And here, we saw this same formula a few days ago in degrees, but now we're doing the same thing in radians. And since there are 2 pi radians in a circle, we're going to add and subtract multiples of 2 pi. Okay, so here's the problem. Find the radian measure of 4 angles in standard position that are coterminal with the given angle. Okay, so we're adding multiples of 2 pi. All right, so first we're going to just start off with theta, in this case pi over 4, and we're adding 2 pi to that. That's 1 multiple of 2 pi. Well, you need a common denominator, so I want to get both terms with a denominator of 4. So to do that, I'm multiplying top and bottom of 2 pi with 4 over 4, which gives me 8 pi over 4. And then you can add the numerators, is 9 pi over 4. So these are fraction rules that you learned a long time ago, and you have to have your answer in simplest fraction form. So the first of my answers is 9 pi over 4. Okay, so we have to get 4 of them. We only have 1 so far. So now I'm going to, instead of adding 2 pi, I'm going to subtract 2 pi, okay? Again, I need a common denominator, and this time I'm skipping a step, hoping that you're getting the hang of this. I multiplied 2 pi by 4 over 4 to get 8 pi over 4. And now I can add pi with negative 8 pi, gives me negative 7 pi over 4. All right, so now I have 2 angles. I have 9 pi over 4. I have negative 7 pi over 4. And I'm going to do it 2 more times. Okay, so this time I need a different multiple of 2 pi. So 4 pi is 2 rotations. I'm going to add 4 pi. Common denominator, multiplying top and bottom by 4 over 4 gives me 16 pi over 4. And pi over 4 plus 16 pi over 4 is 17 pi over 4. Now I have 3 answers. And then for the 4th answer, I'm going to subtract pi over 4. So subtracting pi over 4, common denominator, 15 pi over 4, subtract 16 pi over 4 is negative 15 pi over 4. Okay, so now you've seen some examples on how to find angles that are coterminal in radian measure.